With a simple design, bomb-proof materials, and huge interior compartment, the Patagonia Black Hole is a quintessential packable travel duffel. The Black Hole comes in 4 sizes. This is the smallest at 40 liters. Also comes in a larger 50, 70, and a gigantic 100-liter version. This is the only one that's going to work as a carry-on. The dimensions of a length 21 by 14 by about 10.5 or 53, 35, 27 centimeters. The depth is a little higher than most airlines allow, which is 9 inches. However, this thing doesn't have any kind of structure or frame, so the depth of it is going to be largely determined by what you pack in the bag, meaning that this is going to work as a carry-on as long as you don't pack it too full. The Black Hole is one of my favorite fabrics. It's thick, durable, waterproof. This TPEU coating makes it a little shiny, but it's quite a bit more flexible than fabrics with similar coatings. For example, the Timbuktu bag has a TPEU coating. However, it feels stiff and quite a bit more plasticky than the Black Hole fabric. They don't cut corners with the rest of the hardware in this bag. Large, non-locking number 10 YKK zips on the main compartment and big Duraflex buckles and adjusters. The exterior of the Black Hole is very simple. Daisy chain webbing, top side carry handles, removable backpack straps, and one front slash pocket, which is the only exterior organization on this bag. It's quite a large pocket because it's also the bag that the duffel can fold into. Which you can see when I pop it in on the inside, how much of the volume of the main bag this thing could take if you packed it full. It's really just a simple pocket. There's not much in here except for a key leash, and then this additional inside zipper pocket lets you access it from the inside of the bag. And because this is a minimalist duffel, it's worth mentioning some of the features this bag doesn't have, like an external water bottle pocket, a laptop compartment, or side compression straps. The Black Hole is really a workhorse duffel designed to be simple and rugged as opposed to being comfortable. However, they did a decent job with these backpack straps. They're moderately wide, decently padded, and have a nice curve to them. There's no sternum strap, but you can add an aftermarket one to these daisy chain loops. The straps are also removable. The bottom easily detaches with a plastic buckle. The top is a little trickier to detach it. You want to pull this buckle all the way through the D-ring, turn it 90 degrees, and then pop it back through. When you reattach these straps, you want the bottom curve to be facing out. And to make it easy, they indicated which strap goes to which side. It's an R and R for the right strap and 2 L's for the left strap. To reattach it, you just do the opposite thing. Twist this buckle 90 degrees. Coming from the bottom, you're gonna slide it all the way through the D-ring until you can turn it, at which point it'll be attached. The top carry handle is a standard thick nylon webbing that comes together with this unpadded buckle handle. And if you're alternating between carrying it like a duffel and a backpack, you can just leave those straps attached. There's really no reason to take them off. One pet peeve is there's no way to attach these side handles out of the way. They dangle here when you're carrying it as a backpack, and you have a tendency to accidentally stick your arm in there when you're trying to put the shoulder straps on. Thule solved this problem on the Chasm by just having this simple strap buckle over here on the side. Keeps these out of the way. Works great. This is the Black Hole fully packed, about 7.1 kilograms, 15.8 pounds. It's not gonna win any comfort awards, but considering it's a packable duffel without any back padding, it's actually pretty decent. These shoulder straps are about as good as you're gonna get on a pack like this, and to show you, I attached a sternum strap from a different bag, and it does help. And again, like almost all these packable duffels, the Black Hole doesn't have any kind of back padding or air ventilation. But that's consistent. Almost all these bags, like the Osprey Daylight, the North Face Base Camp, have the same style. The interior on the Black Hole is open on a standard side access duffel lid, and it's empty right now, and you can see this fabric is so thick, the bag easily stands up on its own, making it really easy to pack. On the interior, large zippered mesh pouch on the lid, as well as that zippered access into this gigantic front slash pocket. The Black Hole is really easy to pack. This is all the stuff I'll put in the bag, and instead of going through this item by item, I'll just put a full packing list in the description below. These 2 medium Eagle Creek cubes that I use for almost everything. One's isolate and one is a clean and dirty cube. those fit pretty nicely in the bottom of the bag and help give it structure. You can see there's still tons of room on the top of this bag. Smaller packing cube. I have 2 cubes, toiletry, electronics, shoes, puffy jacket, day pack, and water bottle. And I'll put some of these flatter items in the lid and smaller items I want access to in the front compartment. This is the black hole fully packed. All that gear I had on the table. Again, this thing is super easy to pack, holds a ton of gear. Probably could have put more in here, but remember, you need to be careful on the height on this bag if you're trying to use it as a carry-on. In summary, the black hole duffel is everything they advertise it to be. They don't cut corners with materials and hardware. It's rugged, durable, lightweight, and has a huge main compartment. I see these things all the time in the airport when I travel, and if you like this style of duffel, this is likely gonna be one of your go-to travel duffels. And considering the quality on this thing, the price that I paid for it, $129, I thought was very reasonable. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Patagonia Black Hole 40 Duffel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And again, thanks for watching.